Hello. I have an information to you. I gonna upload 3 videos every single day. So have fun with it. And now it's Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. So I'm in high school. I gonna I gonna share to you the information. Um, I'm Jerome Adrian from Philippines. My hobby is eating, playing, talking with friends, anything. Um, I'm 12 years old. My I now present I'm 11 years old, but my birthday is November 21. Yeah. Please subscribe anytime you watch my videos. My information is I grow up. I like to be fit because I'm fat. See, see that? See, 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 see. I'm too fat. Okay? Don't judge. Just joking. I'm just fat. So, yeah. Bye bye. No, no. Um, for today's lesson is how how um how how to eat more food.